Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards, guys. We have Ace of Wands, Six of Swords in reverse and Ten of Wands. So in your situation, Pisces, you are making a lot of efforts and you are working towards your dreams and aspirations. You are having a lot of responsibilities or burdens on your shoulders, and you are in a very good position in life. People respect you for that, and you are really fortunate for the way things are going. But you hold a lot of responsibilities, and that is the reason you need to make a lot of efforts and you need to work hard to hold on to this success or hold on or maintain this positive potential in your work situation and in your personal life. You are someone who's really dedicated and responsible, and that is the reason you are working hard today, guys. And Pisces, I also see that in your life, it may be in your work, you may get some offers, opportunities, something that is using your skills and talents, something that makes you really happy, and you are happy for the new path or new beginnings you are getting. So it may be a second career path or something, it may be something which you love to do and you are feeling extremely happy because of that. And also, guys, in your relationship, you are being really responsible. You love this person, you respect them, you care for this person, and that may be the reason you are seeing a new beginning in this relationship, guys. Maybe if you are not yet engaged or committed to this person, they are seeing you as the person for their life, so they love to spend this life with you. Maybe they are thinking of commitment and they may come with a proposal today, guys. It may be their energy towards this relationship or your energy towards this person. So maybe you are planning to propose to this person, or maybe they are planning to propose to you, and they are here to confess their true feelings for you. So they love you, but they have not not opened their heart to you till this day. They were very silent. They were watching you and planning each and every move or their move, guys, and they are happy for the way things are between you both, and they have come to a decision today, and they want marriage or they want engagement with you, guys, and they are here telling you how they truly feel, how much they truly love you, guys, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's start the reading with the first card, guys. For those who chose this card and this crystal. So we will keep this card aside. So this is the card for y'all, guys. Be content. So it just means serenity, acceptance, and peace in our situation. So how do we find contentment in our circumstance? We face a lot of struggles, stress, and we fear everything in our situation. Maybe it is time we find that space within ourselves where we are able to accept certain things as they are. Maybe it is time we accept it as they are to give us that peace of mind. So this does not mean that you need to be complacent. It just contentment. It just means that accepting everything in our life as it is. Maybe certain things we are able to change, we have control over. But certain things which we cannot control, we should not let those things hijack our life, take control of us. So you need to embrace the things that you can change for the better, both in your internal and external environment, and working on to make the necessary changes one step at a time. But for those changes which we cannot change or which we do not have any control, we must accept it as it is and do not feel any pain or feeling lost because we are unable to control that circumstance or that choice or that person. So whatever it is, guys. So living one day at a time, not worrying about the past or stressing about the future. So that will also help to bring peace of mind, harmony, balance, and serenity in our hearts, guys. So that is the angel's guidance with this card for y'all, guys. For those who chose this card, this is the time for peace and happiness, and the way to do that is accepting your situation as it is without stressing. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, it says building blocks. So in our life, in this situation, maybe we are making a great progress in our life and things are gaining momentum right now in our situation, and it is an extraordinary time to focus on the things that are important to us today, guys. Maybe in this relationship, it just means that we are moving towards some new connection, some new relationship, or we are making the existing relationship much more better. We are laying that strong foundation. And how to have that strong foundation in this connection? We must build it on honesty, humility, clear understanding, and that desire and that love to know each other, understand each other. So by doing that, we are forming a strong foundation in this relationship, and that way this relationship will withstand any storm or any tough time that we face together, and it will help us to repair and strengthen this connection we have with each other, and we both will grow wiser, powerful, and stronger together. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So in the same way, even in our work situation, the right way to build a strong foundation in our career is by having that positive intentions. So whatever dreams and aspirations we need for us to reach the goals we have in our life, we must feel inspired to do that, and we should march on towards the truth with that truth in our heart. So we want to achieve certain things, we must put our honest efforts, so that way we will be able to reach success very soon, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.